Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Hyundai Sonata with a smart key. First, make sure your smart key is inside the vehicle with you. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. Once your foot is on the brake, simply push the engine start/stop button. Your Sonata's engine should now start smoothly, allowing you to begin your journey with ease and convenience. Sometimes your smart key's battery might be low. If this happens, first use the hidden physical key to unlock your driver's door and enter the vehicle. Next, place the smart key directly against the engine start/stop button. While holding the key fob against the button, press it firmly. This method uses the key's internal chip to bypass the low battery, allowing your Sonata to start. If your Sonata isn't detecting the smart key normally, there's an emergency procedure. First, ensure the key is inside the car. Some Sonata models have a specific key slot or holder, often found in the center console or near the cup holders. Place your smart key there. If no slot, simply press the engine start/stop button firmly with the smart key itself. This should initiate the engine. To keep your smart key working reliably, consider replacing its battery every 1 to 2 years. These small coin cell batteries are inexpensive and easy to change. It's also a good idea to keep a spare battery in your glove compartment for emergencies. Finally, try to avoid leaving your smart key in direct sunlight or extremely cold conditions, as this can affect its performance and battery life over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.